Hi, welcome to the Mad Scientist's Kitchen, Reinventing the Foodie in You. I'm Archana. So today I'm sharing with you Indianized kimchi noodles. And the reason why I'm putting my face on the noodles today, on the video today, is because I was nostalgic. I missed my roommate. Every Sunday or any festive day in the evening, we never had food in the hostel mess, and we thought that making Maggi noodles was the easiest. And let me tell you, Maggi noodles was new 35 years ago, and we had to make it on the kerosene stove burners that we were allowed in our rooms. The challenge was to use minimum vessels, because all the recipes that we knew at that time were what our mothers cooked, and they needed one or two vessels. We didn't want that. Who's going to wash up? That was the idea. And so Maggi noodles seemed to be a simple, easy recipe, and we used to do that quite often till we got bored of it and we started making our own pulavs. I remembered Rajeshri a lot today when I made this kimchi noodles, and so I'm dedicating this recipe to Rajeshri. So shall we begin? Your ingredients I will link in the description box, and for making the Indianized kimchi I will share the recipe. Here is, in a thick wok, heat oil. Add ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Now green chilli paste is optional. Stir fry onions. I have diced them. You can cut them in long strips also. Once the onions are translucent, add the mushrooms. Now stir fry mushrooms on high flame, otherwise it will release water and soften up. Once the mushrooms soften, add the broccoli and the cauliflower. Stir fry. You can sprinkle a dash of salt over here. Here my broccoli cooked, but my cauliflower did not. So I have covered the pan and have cooked the cauliflower. Now I'm adding half a cup of homemade Indianized vegetarian kimchi. You can add more like I did later, but start low. Like I said before, I added 1/4 cup of kimchi more and then mixed it up. My kimchi noodles were mildly spicy. If you want a spicier version, you'll have to add more kimchi, and if you want it less spicy, add less kimchi. I am rinsing the bowl in which the kimchi was kept and adding the water. You can add whatever vegetables you have at hand. I have some baby corn, so I am adding it. I would have preferred to scramble an egg into this, but I have not done it today. I am adding my boiled Maggi noodles. Some purple cabbage, bell pepper, carrots. Mix carefully. Take care not to break the noodles. So friend, are you new here? If you are new here, have you subscribed to this channel? Hit the bell icon so that you get updates every time I post a new recipe. My recipes are quick and simple, plus healthy. I have switched to chopsticks and I have switched off the flame also. Once the noodles and the vegetables are well mixed, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. I am going to cover the pan with a lid and let the flavors mingle. I have served this kimchi noodles with a side of cucumber salad, but I would have loved to have a fried egg or a scrambled egg with it, or even tofu or paneer with this. If you eat chicken and shrimps, you can add them to this kimchi noodles. It will taste very nice. So finally, let us dish up. I am adding the noodles, getting some of the veggies on the chop, some broccoli, cauliflower, mush- mushroom. What I'm looking for is the radish. Kimchi has radish in it and it tastes amazing. Please try it out. Add all the veggies your kids don't like in this kimchi noodle and they will love it. So, what do you think of it? Are you making it? Your comments, your shares are most welcome. Please let me know how you make it. For simple, easy, and delicious recipes, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.